Welcome to MS Excel. Here I am going to show you how to do great wonders using the formulas in MS Excel. If you don't have the file, just download the file from the description link given below. Here is the home page, and in the home page click the link hall design, and this is the main hall design page. You can enter your hall number as hall number 1, or you can enter it as room number 1, or you can just enter it as 1, 2, 3, and you can enter your hall number as LHE 201. It can be anything. And here is the number of rows and number of columns. You can enter the number of rows, it is maximum 7, and number of columns as 8, and you can design your own hall dimensions. You can enter your number of rows as 3, 4, 5, 6 and up to 7, and number of columns up to 8, and fill this page as per your requirement and based on your hall which you have entered in the B column. And next here enter 5 departments, and here is maximum only 5, but if you want more than that you can contact us through mail or WhatsApp. You can contact us through mail as autocareshine@gmail.com, and the short form it can be anything which you like. It will be useful for you to design the seating page. Next click home. So now we are going to enter the name list entry. You can enter the name list, copy directly from the nominal roll. If for mechanical, you can enter the mechanical name list. You can enter up to 500 names per time. That is only for mechanical. You can enter 500 per time and enter the mechanical names here. And the next second department, next third department name list. Their register number is the hall ticket number and their name. And for biomedical, next click next. Enter the day, month, year. Enter the month here, and the day it comes on its own, and enter the section. Enter the detail of examination: April, May, November, December, anything it can be. This will get reflected in your seating page, attendance sheet, and in many other places. And center of examination is the name of your college or name of your school, anything it can be. So enter the respective subject name and its code and the regulation. So all the 5 departments which you entered in the first page, hall design page, will be displayed here, and you can enter the subject name based on that in that place. And in the M column, the total number of students is displayed there of its own, and you need not to do anything, don't alter anything there. If you want your regulation to be displayed in the attendance sheet or in the seating arrangement, enter it here or leave it empty if it's not required. Next click next. So this is the main seating page, and I'm going to enter the hall number. So hall number 1, and it displays everything. And now you enter the department and it displays how there are 20 students totally registered for this, and you can allocate maximum according to the based on the hall design what you have entered. And civil, and enter the number of students. And it need not to be in order, it can be in any order. You can change the order also. And finally the biomedical, BME. So yeah, here I enter 16, but the maximum capacity is only 40, so I want to reduce the count according to it. So even if I enter 15, it is not accepting, saying that its maximum count is only 40. So based on that, make the calculation and enter the values. And next, when you drag down on the same page, you have the second page, so hall number 2, and you can choose what hall you needed. Hall number 2, I have chosen it, and repeat the same process here also. And here you can see this, it is displaying remaining students to be seated. So based on that, you can make the arrangements. So now I'm selecting hall number 3 here, and I want to check whether there is any remaining students for mechanical, and there are 6 students, so I want to seat all the 6 students in hall number 3. So biomedical, I have 1, I've entered, I have seated all the students, and there is no students left. So go up, scroll up, go to this home page and attendance sheet. It's very important. I go to mechanical, and it displays all the based on the seating arrangement which we have made. It displays it, so you can save it as PDF. So I want to print it as PDF, so it already displays need 3 pages, so pages 1 to 3, and just select Microsoft print to PDF. If you don't have it, you can download the extension to save it as PDF from the Microsoft website. So print, so you can save it in your desired folder in your computer. So attendance sheet for mechanical and save, so it just saves those 3 pages as a PDF. Next, civil, so it displays number of pages to print is 3, so the same thing continues again, print, and pages 1 to 3 and print. So attendance sheet, it is for civil. Even if you want to get alter that at one click, you want to get the attendance sheet for all the departments, you can contact through the WhatsApp, or you can contact through the mail. And here for this AC, it displays only 2 pages, so number of pages to print is 2, so pages 1 to 2. So save in the same manner, save all the pages for attendance sheet. And now I've saved the fifth department also. Now click the home page, and next we are going to the seating arrangements, and straightly go on to the print. So we have allocated first three halls, so you must enter it one by one as per the order in the page. So here we have entered for 3 pages, so I want to enter 3 and print. It will directly go to that folder and write the seating arrangement and just enter save. So all the 3 pages get saved. Once again press home and to directly to the home page, and from there hall-wise question paper count. If you need it, you can do it. For this, it shows the question paper count hall-wise. Just print. It is of 1 page, so just enter 1 and give it as print. Press the home page, and now I'm going to the overall seating. Just click that icon and uncheck the blanks and click OK. So when you uncheck the blanks, and the same way click file and print, and here is the only one page and it displays everything. You need to do any changes, and print and write it as overall seating arrangement. Then go to the home page, and now we are going to check how it is got saved. Open the file one by one. It will open in the PDF, and see it is the seating arrangement. It has saved page by page wise. So is the first page, the second page, second hall, the third hall. So totally there were 3 halls which we have saved. Now I'm going to check the attendance sheet. Open the attendance sheet. So attendance sheet, it is this attendance sheet, hall number 1. So when you track down, you can go to the hall number 2 and hall number 3. If you want the customized designed hall page, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. So this is the default one, and you can design your own and customized hall design from us. So always question paper count, and this is the overall seating page. So you can display everything very clearly, no need to do any work. So you can finish your seating arrangement just by spending 5 minutes instead of spending whole day. Thanks for watching.